Who's the Luckbox here? This one going to be a range check. Yeah, he's a semi-fish. Like, he's playing more than a reg, but he's not a reg. I'm not putting this. Hello, Radu! Here, what do I want to do? I like going for an overbet. I could also check. No, this is a really bad hand to bluff. He can have a lot of jack-X in his range, and I really block folds, so... As much as I hated going to give up. Here against the same fish. It's dry enough, I can probably just range bet. This is a call, although that's a pot bet. Pot bets from fish scare me a little bit. But now we got to pair. And now we get the full house! I think I should donk. He seems to have a really strong hand. I mean, nah, if he has a really strong hand, he's probably going to bet it. But he's going to call it as well. That's true. Yeah, okay. I really like the donk now. Easy squeeze, ace king. Nice board. I'm going for a check here. Five big blinds. Yeah, I would normally just go for a check call. Is this about to induce or a really weird bet? It doesn't make a ton of sense. Does he have fives? Yeah, whatever. I have a ton of equity with this hand against anything, so can't wait to get it, dude. Yeah, so it was about to induce. Once or twice. She's quite fishy, so come on, diamond, diamond, diamond! F you! Oh, wow, wow, wow! Who's the Luckbox here? We're basically targeting an ace or a draw. I hope somebody finds something to check raise here. Hopefully aces. Come on, somebody have aces. I was thinking if I should check this because I think people have this, but then I was thinking people have the tendency to call everything when there are two draws, and now when draws lose, they're probably incentivized. I mean, they are not necessarily in reality against a good opponent, but a lot of them will call. And now I'm tilted because you just took my money and I'm losing, and now I'm going crazy, so you should call the fucking ace. Ah! betting queens. Kind of weak reg. On this board, well, he's not really supposed to have deuces and fours here. We're only afraid of sevens. And we have an overpair advantage. So I guess 3/4 works in this tighter positions. And here, going to check and check call or check raise because of the randomizer. And now I think a lot of his range here would be flash draws to the ace, so this is not the greatest card for us, and the other thing is I don't think it's going to call team enough. So going to check this. Should I keep barreling this one? I don't have that many 10x here. So probably our betting frequency should be quite low to decide what the fuck is that size. I don't think we're folding anything. He also doesn't have a lot of 10x if I think about it because he's probably not betting that size on the flop with 10. And now if I had king queen or ace queen here, which I would check raise sometimes, I would go for 1/3. And I'm basically only targeting like miss flash draws, miss spades. So I don't really see like why would I bet bigger, because he's not folding a queen for sure. I don't think he has a 10, but he's not folding a queen. So like he either has miss flash draws or other miss draws or nada. Because the thing is, the rake is very high, and in some games you don't have these people who lose a lot of big blinds per 100. I mean, you do. I'm not saying you don't. You definitely can get good whales there as well, but with the rake and without having like reads and so on, it's very hard to beat those in my opinion. So yeah, not really worth playing in my opinion. Here, this is a tight range spot. People are under 4 betting, so I think he can easily have jacks and queens. He can have a king x. Is he calling 9s here? Well, people are way overfolding. 8s is a set, so we're basically only targeting 9s if we bet here. I guess I'm going to check back. Okay. But I'm so off with the ranges. And does GG have reasonable rake back? Well, the thing with rake back, this also might be a plus for playing Zoom, but I don't think it's like worth it. The thing with the rake back on GG is they really lower your PVI, so meaning if you do table select, you get less rake back. We get 4-bet by a fish, and we flop a set. I think I'm going to check back here, let him spell some stuff. What happened here? I checked. And now that's okay. So the rake back is reasonable in theory, but if you do table select, which you definitely should if you play rec tables, it's a really good card for me, so I can go for a split. And I think this is going to be 1/3 call. Okay. So what was I saying? The rake back. And here I'm not going to bluff. I would bluff on a heart. Nice. 1/3. I'm a passive fish here. Yes, the right guy would really consider raising. Yes, the fish, not necessarily. 1 second. Yeah, I think against the 1/3 I need to go. So yeah, the rake back is reasonable, but not good enough to justify the huge rake. And if you table select, it goes quite low. Not sure if I should ISO this for that size. Maybe I should go 3.5. Oh! Really? Is that what you're doing? Man, how the f*** are they donking these boards? Like, how can you be a f***ing rag in these games and do this? 6-5 is the thing now. I also have 6-5 and have flash draws. What size should I bet here? I can have 4s too. Should I check back? I don't think I should. Oh my god, man, how? Like, did I ISO fish? He called from the small blind and then donked with upset. Like, oh my fucking god. I don't even get the ticket.